Hi, Angela Dillmon here with your real estate market moment. Hey, the spring has sprung, the sun is shining, and people are wondering, wow, I should probably do some improvements to my house. Often this time of year, people ask me, what are the best improvements I can make to my house that will have the best return on my money? Right? Are you wondering that right now? Are you in the remodeling mood? Okay, so today I'm going to talk about your top outdoor improvements, right? Since everyone's out taking care of their lawn and weeding and feeding, according to the National Association of Realtors, your top outdoor improvements. Ready? Number 1, lawn care. Who knew, right? Green grass, right? Take care of your lawn. It's a 217% return on your money. Wow. Okay, landscaping. You're like, wow, if I tear this old landscaping out and put some stuff in, will it benefit me? Will I really get my money back? Yes, you will. Curb appeal is huge. People don't want to rip out the landscaping and replace it either. 100% return on your money right away. Not to mention appreciation over time, right? Now, what's the next best one? An outdoor kitchen. These have gained in popularity over the years. Outdoor kitchens, according to the National Association of Realtors, 100% return on your money, right? New patios. You're thinking, wow, should I put a patio or a deck on? Patios, an immediate 95% return on your money. And improve a new deck, a new wood deck, 89% return on your money. Not to mention appreciation over time. You will always get it back over time. Right houses right now are appreciating easily 4% a year. Easily, and will continue to because of the housing shortage. Next week, we'll talk about the best interior improvements. Okay, till then, I'm Angela Dillmon here at Keller Realty, Chesterfield in St. Louis, Missouri. Give us a call at 314-277-7713, and we'll help you make the best improvements and connect you with great contractors. See you next week.